So right now the Bitcoin price was forming this wedge pattern and exactly met the target around here, exactly as I was mentioning a couple of days ago. Exactly met the target around there, around this $39,250 level. That price target has been met exactly as this pattern was showing us, as I mentioned a couple of days ago. So congratulations guys if you use this trading opportunity to make this trade. And also guys, is the Bitcoin price going to go lower to this potential $31,800 level, or will the Bitcoin price finally bottom out around this level, bounce, and then start heading higher and continue the bull market, or is this bull market over? Stay tuned in today's Bitcoin technical analysis YouTube video to find out what scenario is going to happen in today's Bitcoin technical analysis YouTube video. So yeah guys, hello guys and welcome to Crypto Solutions, here to help you make the best decisions in cryptocurrency and in cryptocurrency technical analysis. To this Bitcoin technical analysis YouTube video, we are going to be talking about what is the Bitcoin price is most likely going to do in short term and in the midterm. So right now guys, we can see that the Bitcoin price managed to form this pattern and completed the wedge pattern. That is around a percentage gain of around, let's see, from here to bottom here would be around a full 14% gain if you traded this using my trading opportunity, or if you already knew how to do technical analysis and trade it by yourself, also congratulations by that. And anyway, so yeah, right now guys, I'm gonna delete this wedge because the price target has been met. So right now guys, what is the Bitcoin price going to do? So right now guys, let's see, the Bitcoin price is right now trying to hold support exactly around this level. You see these lower lows right here, like this level. Look at this. If you extend it around this level, it found support around there. Right now it's trying to hold that support. So right now guys, the Fibonacci retracements for support will be the following. So right now you can see that these Fibonacci retracements are very important, because right now you can see that the next support line, if by any chance this level around here can't be held as support, this level right here, then the Bitcoin price will find strong support around this level, around this 0.786 Fibonacci retracements, around this $37,740 level, around this range. This blue line right here, that will be meant as support. But right now guys, I'm going to change this just a second right here, so because I want it to be a solid line right here, there, like, no wait, not that one. It will be this one and there. So right now guys, we also have another support around this pink line, which is a CPR pivot point it's a monthly pivot point, which is a very strong support. That will be around here, the $39,200 level. So right now that will be the immediate support level around there. If this support can't hold, then expect a lower price target for this $37,400 level for the Bitcoin price. But remember, most of the times when the Bitcoin price heads to these lines over here, most of the times is not, usually it closes a body candle close below the line, and then usually it continues. Or if the body candle close in the daily time frame for the Bitcoin price closes below the line, it usually likes to retest that line, and if it keeps getting rejected, then expect a rejection, a real harsh rejection, and then to the other level. That would be this level around here, this support line. But right now guys, these are the support lines in the immediate short term, and if by any chance these levels can't be held as support, then that would be very bad, because most likely the Bitcoin price will head to this support around here, around the $31,500 level. But most likely guys, what I am expecting is that by any chance, if this Bitcoin price holds support around here, which is very important, then this will most likely bottom out around here. But guys, I want to show you also another thing, because right now guys, this you see this horizontal support line, which was a support until here, until there. So since that happened, I'm going to delete that line, because really that support line has been invalidated, and the big pattern around the high price target of around this $85,000 for the Bitcoin price has been invalidated using that pattern in the short term. So I'm gonna delete that here because it has been invalidated. It was following, but it then ended up not completing the targets. I'm gonna show you real quick right here what happened. Show you quickly there. Okay, so here you can see that the Bitcoin price was falling for some time now, a long time, since since the start of last year, which is exactly a year. The Bitcoin price was following this pattern. Look at this, it's descending triangle, which is a bearish pattern, but it broke out in a bullish way. Look at that, boom, support, resistance, support, triple bottom, boom, resistance there, broke out, kind of support, it kind of retested that support, headed here, retested again, wick down below, but the body candle close in the daily time frame remain above this orange line, and then hover around that level, and then try to make a relief bounce, got rejected, and then it falls below that line. Now it's serving as resistance. So right now, that's why that pattern has been invalidated, which had a bullish price target of around this level, around the $85,000 for the Bitcoin price right there. But since it has been invalidated, I'm going to delete that line right there. Also here and here and here. Right now we can use this line as support because it's serving as good support. It will be good support if it keeps dumping the Bitcoin price, but most likely that line will will hold support very nicely around this level, around this $32,000 level, around here. Very strong support if by any chance this 0.786 Fibonacci trace around this $37,340 level doesn't hold, then expect a $32,000 for the Bitcoin price. But right now, and the Bitcoin price has a lot of work to do if it's going to do that. But right now we can see that the Bitcoin price is forming also in head and shoulders right here and there. So the neckline would be here, which is already broken, and the technical price target, it's not a guarantee, but the technical price target will be around here. I'm gonna show you real quick. There and there. This will be the price target, which it is very unlikely, but also you can support my YouTube channel by clicking in the Patreon link in the description below, where you can get an elite VIP crypto investor membership, where you can get an immediate short-term buy opportunities, immediate short-term selling opportunities, live weekly long-term cryptocurrency price updates, Bitcoin tops and Bitcoin bottoms with certainty in the short term and in the long term. Also live updates, my buying targets, my selling targets, and more. Hey, this is the technical price target. It doesn't have to complete, but this will be the technical price target. It will be around here, this and there. It will be around here, the $14,680 level if this head and shoulders pattern completes, okay? But patterns doesn't need to complete all the time. So right now that would be the technical price target, but doesn't mean it's going to go there, guys. First, here's strong supports around this $29,800 level. This is all support right here. You can extend that range around here. This will be very strong support right there, okay? And also here, still the Bitcoin price hasn't fallen below this line, so the Bitcoin price still has a chance of having a relief bounce, because right now when you have this massive downtrend, eventually you will have to see a relief bounce. Okay, this can't keep continuing like this, because right now usually after even this amount of downtrend, you will usually see a bounce from here, but you can see even from here it keeps extending down. But right now I can say with a high certainty that between now and January 25, the Bitcoin price will have to show, personally, this is my opinion, it will have to personally show a relief bounce because of literally technical analysis, because you can't go like down forever. Okay, the only way it can go down forever if you're expecting for the Bitcoin price to go to zero, if it's going to happen, but that's most likely not going to happen. So it's like, no, this downtrend bounce right here, even if it consolidated, it still have a bounce here, retracement, bounce, retracement, bounce, retracement, not a retracement, a little bit of a bounce, and retracement again. So right now, guys, this is a head and shoulders pattern, but right now, guys, really I am expecting for the Bitcoin price to just invalidate this head and shoulders and bounce right here, consolidate, and then keep going upwards. But right now, guys, using this pattern right there, also I can say that this falling wedge has been invalidated, so I'm gonna delete that line also. So here will be if I extend the support right there, you can see that the Bitcoin price found really good support around there. Beautiful. You see here, support here. It went down, but that was a liquidation event, so mostly only the body candle close matters most of the times when looking at these support levels. But usually even the wick finds support, but this was a liquidation event, so this pattern right here, you see right here, found support and also found support there. So guys, right now the potential new pattern I'm seeing also in the Bitcoin price is using from the resistance right there to here. This will be the new pattern, which is another falling wedge. Surprise. But this falling wedge pattern has a bullish price target if it breaks in the bullish matter of around the top of the wedge. That will be the previous all-time high for the Bitcoin price, around the $69,250 right there for the Bitcoin price. So that would be the price target. And if by any chance this falling wedge breaks out in the bearish way, then expect for the falling wedge to head to this price level. It will be around here. It will be around here, the $22,680 level for this pattern right here also. So you have the head and shoulders, which has a price target of around $14,680 level, which is as a very, very low probability of completely on target, but it's still in play. That's the technical target. And also you have this falling wedge, which hasn't broken out just yet. So here will be strong resistance around the $44,250, and if the Bitcoin price can break out of this around this $45,880 level, then expect for the Bitcoin price to most likely, it's not guaranteed, but to most likely go to this price target around this $69,250 level, which is the previous all-time high for the Bitcoin price right there. And right now, guys, those are the bullish, that is the bearish pattern I just showed you guys, and also this is the bullish pattern also for the Bitcoin price. So potentially, guys, we have a trade of around, if it breaks in a bullish way from here to here, that's around a 57%, which is a very good percentage gain if you're going to trade this Bitcoin price. And also, guys, and this downtrend can also be explained by another thing I want to show you guys, which is using this I'm gonna show you this moon phases indicator, and right now it's on the negative side, and you can see when you have negative energy from what I have said before. I already told you guys that when you see this dark blue, expect negative energy, which expect a downtrend in Bitcoin price. When you see this yellow energy, expect a positive energy, which expect for the Bitcoin price to go to the upside. Most of the times it follows those energies very well. But right now, guys, this Bitcoin price is right now in a downtrend because you can see this negative energy in the dark blue area has started. So usually these dark energies last up to 2 weeks, potentially 1 to 2 days of extended time, but most of the times the negative energy lasts up to 14 days, which is 2 weeks, and also the same as the positive energy. Positive energy usually lasts up until around 2 weeks, around 14 days. Sometimes it can even extend 15 to 16 days maximum, most of the times, almost maximum, because depending on how the moon is behaving, well, that's how you can expect also for this indicator in the Bitcoin price. So right now we can see that if it's 14 days, so right now I'm gonna extend from here to here. Right now it's been 7 days since the Bitcoin price started with the negative energy right there right now. So expect a bullish energy change, which also can happen 5 days before the negative energy, or even 10 days or even 10 days after the negative energy, or in the middle of the positive energy. So right now, guys, expect for this negative energy to almost guarantee to stop around this 17th of January, this January 17 around there right now. And also that would make sense because it will give Bitcoin, after this massive dump, some consolidation around here to then break out this resistance, confirm as support, and then keep going higher. So this will make a lot of sense from here to then start this bullish energy. But right now, guys, using the moon phases indicator, that's what I'm seeing the Bitcoin price right now. And expect, in my opinion, expect more consolidation, and potentially right now the Bitcoin price is bouncing, but that doesn't mean but remember, this daily candle close is very important for it to be above this range, around this $40,655 level. It's important for that body candle close in the daily time frame to close above that level, around the $40,655 level, for it to be here consolidation and then break out and keep going higher. But right now, those are the things I'm seeing the Bitcoin price, guys. And also I want to show you something real quick, because I want to show you also the CME charts right here. You can see that also even in the CME charts, it was forming this really beautiful falling wedge pattern, which is a bullish pattern. You see support, resistance, support, resistance here, but it broke out, confirm support, and now it's below the resistance, but still it has it as support unless the body candle close in the daily time frame closes below this resistance around this $40,595 level for the Bitcoin CME futures chart. So right now that would be the support right there, and if this support doesn't hold using the CME Bitcoin future chart, then expect for the Bitcoin price to go to this $37,620 level on here using the 0.786 Fibonacci trace on the $37,620 level. And so right now, guys, that's what I'm seeing the Bitcoin price for the moment, and watch out, guys, for that. And also this resistance has been also invalidated, because you can see here resistance, this support has been invalidated. Resistance there, it broke out, confirmed a support also right here, but now it broke down. So I'm gonna delete that line also, because now that line has been invalidated. Right now, guys, the Bitcoin price is showing weakness in the charts. but in the long term, still the Bitcoin price is in a bull run still, even with this massive downtrend in the Bitcoin price. Still, don't worry guys, because why I am saying that? Because guys, right now, using the Bitcoin price, we still are making in the Bitcoin price our higher highs. Okay, so lower high, still this is a lower high right now. This is a determining factor right there. Higher highs here, lower highs here, and higher highs here. So still we're in an uptrend still. If the Bitcoin price wicks below here around this like $28,000 level, then that would be very horrible for the Bitcoin price. Really, that will totally change the structure completely. But still, if that doesn't happen, then expect for the Bitcoin price to keep doing what it has been doing for 12 years and 13 years now, which is in a massive uptrend. So yeah guys, that's what I'm seeing the Bitcoin price. And don't worry about it guys, this is just temporary. This is a buying the dip opportunity. If you're investing in the long term, this is a very good thing, because usually you want to buy around these levels when it's down. And you can see that even in the RSI, the daily time frame here, look at that guys. Wow, it's around the 28 level, and right now using the 32 level guys, this is a very low level, which is a very good buying opportunity, which is not financial advice, but usually it's a very good buying opportunity. And that's a fact, because right now you can see that here guys. I'm gonna delete this also. Here, right here guys, this was the May dump pitch that happened during last year, and it went all the way down to the $22 22 RSI level and the 23 RSI level, very low. But you can see that after that bounce, here we can go to the 30 level range in the RSI in the daily time frame, and you can see that almost every single time the Bitcoin price wicks on these green levels, it can go lower, but this was the part of the bear market. This was the dump pitch of the C dump events that happened around almost 2 years now, 2 years ago. So this was very low. That's a 15 RSI level in the daily time frame, which is most likely not going to visit that level almost never again. Okay, that was very low because of a emergency event which is staged, but okay. So right now you can see that buying around this 22 23 RSI level, this 22 RSI level, this 23 RSI level is a very good buying opportunity. This 23, 28, and you can see right here guys, this is also around here, the 22, 23, 28 around here, 27 right here, 28. Right now we're on those levels right now on the RSI 28 level. So that's a very good buying opportunity. Most likely it's gonna bottom around there for the Bitcoin price. And to end off this video guys, I want to show you something real quick right now. So as long as in the monthly time frame, which I mentioned in the last video, I'm gonna put very quickly the EMA moving averages, which are the exponential moving averages. I'm gonna put it real quick right here, this quadruple EMA in the monthly time frame. You can see that this purple line right here is a very strong support, but right now the Bitcoin price is below that. With the Bitcoin price still has enough time, around 21 days, for this Bitcoin price to recover above this above this. Look at this guys, this 14 EMA in the monthly time frame, which is the 14 exponential moving average in the monthly time frame for the Bitcoin price. That's a very good indicator in regards of indicating if the Bitcoin bull market is over, or is the Bitcoin bull market still on its way to complete the bull market. Right now guys, this support would be around this level. I want to be exact with the exact support level. So this purple line is on here, this $42,200 level. It's very important for the Bitcoin price before this month ends, which we have enough time. It's okay. It's important for this Bitcoin price to get above this monthly time frame, around this monthly support line on the 14 exponential moving average in the monthly time frame. It's very important for the Bitcoin price to close a monthly body candle close above that line. Okay, it's okay if it wicks down, but it's very important for the body candle close, the body of the monthly time frame, to be above this purple line around this $42,200 level before the month ends. It's very important, and the monthly candle closes around 21 days from now. So it's okay, guys. So right now it has enough time. So this is a very good time to accumulate in the Bitcoin price, okay? In the long term, okay? Long term. In the short term, mid-term, don't trade. Like, in my personal recommendation, don't trade, because the Bitcoin price is very choppy right now. You will most likely lose the trades. Right now it's not a good time to be trading Bitcoin right now, because it's very volatile in the sense in which it's very like kind of unpredictable sometimes, depends. But right now, using this trading opportunities, which is a medium term pattern right here, this you can make a good trading opportunity right here on the 40, as soon as it breaks around here, around this $46,200 level. That will be a very good trading opportunity. I'm not saying that to trade using my trading opportunities, but I'm just saying that most likely if this $46,200 is $46,200 level for the Bitcoin price gets broken right here, then expect for the Bitcoin price to follow this massive falling wedge pattern, which has the top of the wedge pattern with the price target around this $69,200 level for the Bitcoin price, which is the previous all-time high for the Bitcoin price right now. So yeah, guys, that's what I'm seeing the Bitcoin price for the moment. And also, guys, I want to show you also the fear ingredient index right now. You can see that in the fear ingredient index, there's extreme fear, which is a very good thing when you're trying to buy in the long term, which is, this usually indicates a very good buying opportunity when you see extreme fear. You want to buy when most people are in fear investing, and you want to sell usually when most people are bullish. That's how literally the markets work in regards of investments. Literally, it's something very consistent. And I have seen that from my personal experience. I can have the exact perfect TA, technical analysis, and if most people are bullish, okay, so if I'm bullish and I know exactly why the Bitcoin price is supposed to go up in the short term and in the mid term and the long term, but if most people are bullish, even if they don't know why they should be bullish, it's just oh wow, Bitcoin price just went up, they feel euphoric just by that. But even if they don't have a clear technical analysis plan, that sabotages the technical analysis plan, because when most people are bullish, most people are not going to get what they want. That's how the markets work. When most people anticipate something, the anticipation prices in the price in the investment, and when that happens, usually it doesn't occur. What doesn't occur? What most people think is going to happen. So that's why, if I have a very clear technical analysis that this is going to break out in a bullish way, when it finally breaks out this resistance, okay, this can still go lower, okay, but right now, if this support gets broken, then expect for the Bitcoin price to go around this level. And it's not even a guarantee, it can even hold around here, but these are the most likely, okay, these are probabilities. That's how you invest in the market, with probabilities. Almost nothing is guaranteed in the investment. So right now, if the Bitcoin price breaks out of this resistance, then expect for the Bitcoin price to go to the top of this wedge, okay? But if most people are anticipating that, then that's most likely not going to happen because of the sentiment, okay? Even if most people are bullish, but they don't know why they don't have a technical analysis plan, even if they don't have one, and I have a technical analysis plan, then my technical analysis plan can be sabotaged by the sentiment, because I can be bullish because of my technical analysis, and the other person can be bullish because that's how they feel, and because they like seeing numbers go up, and that's why that's their determination. But the thing that mostly counts in this market is how most people feel. So right now, that's another thing that I'm usually right now I am adding up as a very a thing that must be not forgotten, because that's very important. Okay, I can have the perfect technical analysis, but if most people anticipate it, that's not going to happen, and that's the problem with that. So right now, most people are in a in fear. So that indicates that if this breaks out in a bullish way and still the sentiment is extremely fearful, that's a good thing, because that's mostly going to indicate the bottom right here and then go up in the long term for the Bitcoin price. So that's what happens, guys. Just in this market, the reality is not everyone will make money and not everyone will win in investments. Okay, most of people are going to lose by design of the system, and also because most people don't know how to correctly think about investments and also do their own diligence. Most people don't know how to truly do that in an efficient and truly good manner for both them and the other person if they're going to help people. So right now, guys, that's what I'm seeing the Bitcoin price right now, guys. If you enjoyed this video, guys, I really appreciate it if you stick watching this YouTube video until the end right now. Thank you so much for watching this YouTube video, guys. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed this YouTube video, guys, leave a like, comment, and share this YouTube video with your friends. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Crypto Solutions, if you haven't subscribed yet. And also, click the bell notification symbol in the YouTube chat section to be notified when I upload new videos, because they are time sensitive, and so you can stay ahead in the cryptocurrency market using my technical analysis in different cryptocurrencies. So also, guys, you can comment which altcoin you want me to cover if that interests you. And also, guys, also you can support my YouTube channel by clicking in the Patreon link in the description below, where you can get an elite VIP crypto investor membership, where you can get an immediate short-term buy opportunities, immediate short-term selling opportunities, live weekly long-term cryptocurrency price updates, Bitcoin tops and Bitcoin bottoms with certainty in the short term and in the long term. Also live updates, my buying targets, my selling targets, and more. Thank you so much for watching this YouTube video, guys. Have a nice day, guys. Take care, guys, and peace out, guys.